हेलो एवरीवन। सो चैप्टर 9 ग्लाइकोमा से हम पार्ट 3 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो 20 तक हम डिस्कस कर चुके थे एंड 21 से हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो वीडियो में हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। The most characteristic visual field change in primary open angle glaucoma is A. Nerve fiber bundle defect, B. Enlargement of blind spot, C. Generalized construction of field, and D. Sector shaped defect. The correct option is nerve fiber bundle defect. 22. All of the following are true about pigmentary glaucoma except A. It occurs more often in young myopic men, and B. Iris trans illumination defect are noted, and C. It is associated with Krukenberg spindle, and D. The intensity of pigment deposition in the angle is related to iris color. The correct option is D. The intensity of pigment deposit in the angle is related to iris color. 23 हमारा एपनेफ्रिन। A. Reduce aqueous production, B. Reduce outflow facility, and C. Reduce aqueous production and increase outflow facility, and D. Increase aqueous production and reduce outflow facility. The correct option is C. Reduce aqueous production and increase outflow facilities. 24. Treatment of malignant glaucoma is A. Pilocarpine, B. Cyclocryotherapy, and D. Vitreous aspiration, and D. trabeculotomy. The correct option is vitreous aspiration. 25. Neovascularization glaucoma may be associated with all of the following except A. Diabetic, B. Hypertension, B. Central retinal vein occlusion, and D. Intraocular tumor. The correct option is hypertension. 26. Primary open angle glaucoma is associated with all of the following except A. Diabetic mellitus, B. myopia, and C. hyperthyroidism, and D. parasplenitis. The correct option is parasplenitis. 27 है हमारा cupping of the disc is not a feature of A. ophthalmos, B. chronic simple glaucoma, and D. acute congestive glaucoma, and D. megalocornea. The correct option is megalocornea. 28. Inverse glaucoma occurs in A. Sphaerophakia, B. lenticonus, and C. subluxus lens, and D. all of the above. The correct option is sphaerophakia. 29 है हमारा 29 है हमारा Lewis syndrome is characterized by the all of except A. glaucoma, B. albuminuria, and C. glycosuria, and D. oligomenuria, and E. retinal detachment. The correct option is retinal detachment. And next है हमारा 13. All of the following can be seen in axon fields anomalies except A. posterior ambrotoxin, and B. iris synechiae to Schwall's line, and C. ectopia of the lens, and D. glaucoma. The correct option is ectopia of the lens. So ये हमारे हो गए पार्ट 3 एंड थैंक यू सो मच.